Hello guys, I'm Azhar, and in this video I will talk about sets in Python. So sets are a collection of distinct objects. It does not include any similar objects twice, thrice, or some more than one times. It includes different objects each one time. So for example, here we have sets. Here this is a set of numbers 1 2 3 4, and here this is a set of alphabets, that is A B C D. Sets can be of any order. It doesn't make any difference if the orders of elements in a set is different. As here, as you can see, we have two more sets. It is a set by changing this the order of elements in this set. Here in this set we have 1 2 3 4, and in this we have 3 4 1 2. So it doesn't make any difference if the order of elements in a set is changed. Here similarly we have also changed the order of elements in of this set, and we have obtained another set like this. So here we have a combination of fruits like apple, mango, orange, and apple, and another combination like apple, mango, and orange. So here one in these two combinations is a set and the other is not. So let's see which one is a set and which one is not. So here, as you can see, this is not a set. Why this is not a set? Because it includes apple two times. Here one apple is this and the second apple is this. So it is not a set because set includes distinct objects. Here this is a set because it has three elements and each element is different from the other element. So here set methods, there are a lot of methods of sets. As you can see here, add, what is the function of add? Adds an element to the set. Clear, what is the function of clear? Clear removes all the elements from the set. Copy returns a copy of the set. And difference returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. So here these are all the methods of sets. So we will practice some of them. So now let's move into our code editor and write some code. So here in our code editor, the keyword used for sets is set and braces. So in the braces we will write a string like 1 2 3 4, and we will name this set as our set of numbers. So now we will print our set and see of the result. So now, as you have seen the result, we have given the string as 1 2 3 and 4, and it has returned us 4 1 3 2. It means that in the sets no order is followed. It is the combination of distinct objects with no order. Here, as you can see, there is no order. Now if I add another duplicate number like 2 here, and we will see the result. So here, as you can see, in the set there is no duplication. Here 2 occur single time and all the other numbers occur single time, because in the set there is no duplication. These sets are used to remove the duplication in a large strings or lists, etc. Now let's make our second set. That may be, for example, of cars, and cars will include set, and then this time we will make a set of a list. So for list I will use square brackets, and here I will write cars, for example Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and for example Honda. So now let's print our set, that is cars. So as you can see, it has printed the list as set, but here as you can see the order is not followed, because in the list we have a specific order, that is Mercedes, BMW, Audi and then Honda, but here in the set we do not see any specific order, as as Mercedes, and after Mercedes we have Audi and then Honda and then BMW, but in our list we have Mercedes, BMW, Audi and Honda. So in the sets no specific order is followed. So now let's see our add method and some other methods. So I will use a set of numbers dot add, and I will add something like 5 to that set, and then I will print this set of numbers. So now as you can see here 5 is included in the set, and because we have used method here add, which added 5 in this set, so here we have 5 here, that is remove. So what does remove do? It will remove an element from the set. So let's remove for example 2. This is a string because it is also a string. So let's run this. So here as you can see no 2 is present here because we have removed the 2 from this set. So it was all about the sets. In the next video I will teach you loops, which includes for loop and while loop, and I will also give you a task. So I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like this, so press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.